Hey everyone, I thought this might be a fun set of pictures to put together and to take a look through. I'm a wedding photographer. I love wedding photography, but when I'm not working, I'm usually outside with my camera, taking some kind of street photography. Occasionally, I get to mix those two genres for a short while during weddings or engagement shoots, and that is the theme of this collection. We might be walking from the ceremony to the reception, or just get bored of the beautiful hotel the couple have paid money for and want to be outside on the streets. Sometimes it's nice just to go for a wander and not be in the wedding bubble. I'm not saying it's anything too clever or original, but I like the contrast you can see when a couple walk through the street on their wedding day. Of course, most simply, the sense of glamour and occasion is highlighted when they walk amongst the more mundane and everyday. People will turn their heads and call out their congratulations as we walk through the town. I really enjoy photos that capture the style and fashion of a point in time. I love the atmosphere of Joel Meyerowitz's New York street scenes. Often there's nothing especially spectacular about them. They're not overly composed or reliant on the unusual. They are magnificently subtle and understated, but rich in documenting the city's palette of colors and its cast of intermingling characters. They are not so much a portrait of a person or a moment, but of a whole street or even a decade. I haven't quite gone that far with these pictures, but it's still my inspiration. The idea is to capture just a flavor of everyday life passing by on an exceptionally special day for the couple. Mostly it's about incorporating other people in the picture, but sometimes I just like to make the street itself the setting. It's not quite as interesting without other people, but the street is at least distinctly outside of that hotel wedding bubble. Couples often find a sense of relaxation away from the bustle of the venue. Even though they're briefly the center of everyone's attention, these people are strangers, and that gives them a sense of anonymity that can be quite refreshing. Most commonly, I will find a nice setting for the couple to be photographed in, and then wait for pedestrians and Cambridge cyclists to pass into the frame. The most common problem I have found with this is that people are way too polite. If they spot that I'm taking pictures, they'll stop in their tracks and wait for me to finish, or sometimes duck if they pass by on a bike. It would be a bit weird of me to say, "No, please carry on, I actually want you in the photograph." So I sometimes pretend to be changing the settings on the camera, and then lift up the camera as they move into frame. Often they call out sorry as they whiz by us. I wonder if Joel Meyerowitz would have the same problem in Manhattan. Of course, this has been a very sparse year for weddings, but I hope next year is much busier and the bustling streets return too. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more videos and click the notification bell if you want to know as soon as new videos are made live. Thank you all again. See you very soon.